I run a marketing agency and I ran an experiment. I asked ChatGPT the same question: who's the best at my industry? Over and over. Same prompt, same model, same session. The lists were different nearly every time. Different brands, different order, different number of recommendations. But a handful of names kept showing up across almost every response. Not because they had the most content or the best SEO, but because AI had decided they were trustworthy enough to be recommended. That's when I realized there's something happening underneath. AI search that has nothing to do with content or structure, and it's deciding who wins. Hi, I'm Pahuna. I run Lagraphia, a digital marketing agency at the intersection of AI, marketing, and psychology. In the last three videos, I covered the first two layers of the framework that I've been working with, which is AI visibility being the technical foundation, marketing architecture, which is how to structure content so AI can extract and cite it. And today we're going to discuss another major layer, which is psychology. The psychology layer actually has two sides. One is the human side, persuasion, emotional connection, how your content earns trust from real people. And that's coming in the future videos. Today is the other side, the one that most people haven't considered yet. How AI systems evaluate trust, how they decide which brands are safe to recommend, and why some businesses consistently appear in AI answers, while equally qualified competitors don't. Here is something most people